Having the right spin mops can completely change your home cleaning experience. In this video today, I'm going to show the top 5 best spin mops in 2024. Based on my research and personal testing, I've put together a list of options that'll meet the need of different types of buyers, so whether it's price, performance, or particular use, we've got you covered for. If you want more information and the most up-to-date pricing on the products I mentioned, be sure to check the links in the description. If you want to see more of our content, don't forget to hit the subscribe button so you never miss an update from us. So without delay, let's start to the video. Number 5.
OSHANG Deluxe Spin Mop. Brand new design concept. Curved figure. Separate dehydration basket design. Easy extraction from the dehydration basket. Stainless steel basket with built-in bearing. Easy dehydration, save time and effort. Counterclockwise cleaning technology. Detachable scrubber. Silent wheel, smooth movement. Foldable handle allows you to easily move the bucket. Microfiber mop head, 180-degree flexible rotation. Can effectively gather and hold dust, easily releases debris when rinsed. No more back pain guaranteed. The handle can be extended to 60 inches long. Drain plug design. OSHANG, less effort, better cleaning.
Number 4.
I would never bathe in dirty water, so why would I clean with it?
New O-Cedar Rinse Clean. Just fill the tank and rinse with continuously clean water, not with dirty. Press the pedal, spin, and the dirt goes straight into the bucket. Its microfiber removes over 99% of bacteria with just water. Clean water with every rinse.
Try it. You'll see.
New Rinse Clean, the fresh spin on cleaning. O-Cedar, it feels great to feel at home.
So, these are the top 5 best spin mops for 2024, according to me. I hope you found this video helpful and informative. If you did, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more gadget reviews. Also, let me know in the comments below which spin mops you like the most, or if you have any questions or suggestions. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.